Hi. I started my career in BPM industry over 2 decades ago, and I come from rural background, studied in vernacular school, and to be very honest, I started speaking English and error-free English only when I was in final year of graduation. And having come from such a background, I know how challenging it is to get your first job. I did not know what BPM industry was all about. I thought it is only night shift job. I explored, I learned new things, and today I have traversed over 2 decades in the BPM industry. But for you, you don't have to worry about. You have Mahika. In Mahika, we teach you about the industry, the opportunities in this industry. There are so many companies, and every year the demand for talented people like you is significantly increasing, and various growth opportunity that you will find, we will orient you on that. And number two is we will teach you what actually is the work life in a corporate environment. What is teamwork? What is communication skills? How to deal with different shifts? How to deal with your peers? How to connect with your managers, supervisors? You will all learn about this in our course. And the third most important thing is you will also learn about the industry specific processes, because one who knows or one who is oriented on these aspects is most likely to get the job than who doesn't have this knowledge. In our course, you will learn about what transaction processing is all about, be it accounts payable, banking, finance and insurance domains, telecom, retail, you name it. You will understand what actually happens in this space, and then I'm sure you will be the chosen one for the job. And this entire course is online. You can go through this course from wherever you want, your village, your relative's place, or from wherever you are, at your own pace, within a stipulated period of time. All that you need is a mobile phone with good internet connectivity. You will be able to access the course on the phone and learn, take assessments, complete tests, and get certified. That is exactly what an employer looks from you when you attend an interview. Then what are you waiting for? Log into bemahika.com, register yourself, get started. Your job is waiting for you. Good luck.